Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Paranggulu with NPM A1G022074. I'm here to present my assignment. I took a journal entitled Physical, Chemical, Radiological, and Organoleptic Characterization of Sponge Cake fortified with mycoproteins. Side is background. So mycoprotein (MT) is an alternative protein source produced from fungi, especially Fusarium venenatum. MT has a high protein content, about 45% in dry matter, litter fiber about 25%, as well as important micronutrients such as zinc, selenium, and vitamin B12. In addition, MP contains complete essential amino and a good ratio of unsaturated to saturated fatty acid. With the increasing customer demand from for food products high in non-animal protein and sustainable, and MP is a candidate ingredient to replace wheat flour in bakery products. This study aims to evaluate the effect of wheat flour substitution with MP at first level on the physicochemical characteristic, texture, color, and sensory acceptable of sponge cake so as to produce a more nutrient product without sacrificing quality and taste. The second slide is method. So this study was conducted by replacing wheat flour with NP at level of 0%, 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, and 50%. Sponge cake were made using a standard recipe and baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. A sample was tested for chemical content like protein, fat, fiber, carbohydrate, ash, and water. Color, physical quality like specific volume, cooking loss, water activity, and texture like hardness, chewiness, gumminess, springiness, using AOAC and AACCI methods. Sensory test was conducted by 12 trained panelists using a 7-point hedonic scale to assess color, texture, taste, and general accessibility. All tests were triplicate and statistically analyzed by ANOVA and Turkish test. So the figure 1 and the table 1 is chemical composition of a sponge cake with various MP level. So the addition of mycoprotein significantly increased the protein and fiber content of the sponge cake. At 50% MP substitution, protein increased from 16.04% to 24.79%, and fiber increased from 1.98% to 4.72%. In contrast, carbohydrate content decreased as MP increased. Fat content also increased slightly from 11.49% to 12.45%. Due to the higher fat content of MP compared to wheat flour. Ash and water content also increased due to capacity of MP fiber and to bin water and mineral. This increase in protein content allows the product to be claimed as high protein as per EU regulation, as protein accounts for more than 20% and the total energy of the product. Next is figure 2A and 2B is texture characteristics of sponge cake with various MP level. So the substitution of wheat flour with MP caused the sponge cake texture to become harder and chewier. Hardness increased from 10.43 N in control to 23.34 N at 50% MP, whilst chewiness and gumminess also increased significantly. In contrast, sprigginess or elasticity decreased from 8.01 millimeter to 6.86 millimeter, and cake specific volume decreased from 1.54 to 1.30. This indicates that the cake become denser and less fluffy at high MP level. These changes are caused by the protein and fiber content of MP, which affect the tissue structure of the cake and the ability to retain air during the baking process. Next, figure 3A and 3B is skin color sponge cake with various MP level. The addition of MP made the skin color of the sponge cake darker and brown. So browning index increased from 66.40 in control to 107.32 at 50% MP. While sigma E value, total color difference, increased from 0 to 11.65. The L or brightness value decreased, while A or red tendency and B or yellow tendency increase, indicating an intensification of the Maillard reaction between the protein and sugar due to the high protein content of MP. This color change may affect customer perception of the product. So the conclusion is this study proved the mycoprotein can be used as a fortification ingredient to increase protein and fiber content in sponge cake. The optimal substitution was at 10%, where the product showed significant nutritional improvement with texture and flavor that were still well acceptable by customer. The higher level of MP, the texture and volume of the cake decreased, although the nutritional value increased. Overall, MP is promising alternative to wheat flour to produce healthier and sustainable bakery product. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.